Welcome to this video where we're going to be talking about exponential growth. This is a video on a series of videos where I've been teaching exponents. If you haven't watched from video 1, please go back and watch all the videos on exponent such that whatever we're covering right now makes sense. So we're always going to be using this formula when it comes to exponential growth, and it's y is equal to a into bracket 1 plus r to t, exponent of t. Every time we're talking about exponential growth, for example, if the population of a bacteria grows exponentially, right? So we're talking about exponential growth. Maybe if the prices of something grow exponentially, that's exponential growth. So A is the initial price. So every time you have an initial price, let's say the price of something was $2. So that's going to be the best price. Let's call it the initial. And then R is going to be the rate of growth. So usually this rate of growth is given in percentage. For example, it could be 8%, right? And if it's 8%, we're going to be writing it as 0.08. So it's 8%. How I got 0.08 is 8 over 100. Percent means over 100. So this gives you 0.08. So usually the rate is given in percentage, and then t is time. What time frame are we talking about? Is it 10 years? Over 10 years? Is it? So that's the time frame. So t is really time. So let's look at, for example, this question. The cost of a college is $12,000 and is increasing at a rate of 6% each year. Use an exponential function to find the tuition after 4 years. So we know that the best cost is 12,000. Right? And we know the rate is 6%. You can write your 6% as 0.06. And then we know the time. They want us to get the cost of this college after 4 years. So if I write the cost of this college is going to be y is equal to a into 1 plus r to the power t. So y is equal to 12,000, 1 plus 0.06 to the power 4, because they want us to get the cost of this college after 4 years. Remember, this is going to be the same as y is equal to 12,000 times. This gives you 1.06 to the power 4. So that is what you're going to put in your calculator. Mine is giving me that's going to be 15,150, around that much. So that's going to be the cost of attending that college after 4 years if the tuition is growing at 6%, right? Let's look at another example. Yeah. So in this example, they're telling me that the annual salary of a company is $149,999. So that is going to be my A. That's the annual salary. That's our base, right? A is 149.99. They're telling us it's increasing at a rate of 6%. So rate is still 6%. Remember, we write our 6% as 0.06. They're telling us to use the exponential function to find the annual salary after 7 years. So t in this question is 7 years. All right. So we're going to use y is equal to a into 1 plus r to the power t. So the annual salary after 7 years, y is going to be our starting salary, which is 149,999 into 1 plus 0.06 to the power 7. So this is the same as 149,999 times 1.06 to the power 7. So get your calculator. So after 7 years, the annual salary will be $225,543. So that's going to be the annual salary after 7 years if we use that exponential growth. All right. In the next video, guys, we're going to look at exponential decay or decrease. See you again in my next video. Thank you for watching.